The BMW M1000RR competition is not just a motorcycle, it is a statement of precision, power, and racing heritage built by BMW's M division. This superbike represents the highest level of performance engineering on two wheels. In this luxury, clean white environment, the black BMW M1000RR competition instantly commands attention. The sharp lines, aerodynamic winglets, and aggressive stance reflect a machine designed for pure speed and control. Every angle of this bike speaks the language of MOTO or SPORT. From the front, the M1000RR looks focused and aggressive. The asymmetrical LED headlights give it a race-inspired identity, while the carbon fiber winglets improve stability and downforce at high speeds. This is a design shaped by performance, not compromise. The side profile reveals the bike's lightweight construction and aerodynamic efficiency. The sculpted fairings, compact tail section, and race-focused geometry highlight BMW's attention to detail. Every surface is engineered to reduce drag and enhance handling. At the heart of the M1000RR competition lies a high-performance inline-four engine. This engine delivers breathtaking acceleration, razor-sharp throttle response, and incredible top-end power. It is designed for riders who demand absolute performance, whether on the road or the track. A closer look at the engine showcases BMW's precision craftsmanship, premium materials, carbon fiber elements, and tightly integrated components reflect the bike's advanced engineering. This engine is not just powerful, it is refined, balanced, and purpose-built. The digital instrument cluster brings cutting-edge technology to the riding experience. The high-resolution display provides clear performance data, riding modes, and essential information in a clean and intuitive layout. Everything is designed to keep the rider focused and in control. The controls and handlebars are positioned for maximum confidence. Every input feels direct and precise, giving the rider complete connection with the machine. This is a bike that responds instantly to every command. From the rear, the BMW M1000RR competition looks wide, planted, and aggressive. The massive rear tire, sharp tail design, and glowing LED taillight emphasize its racing DNA. Even at rest, the bike feels ready to launch forward. The BMW M1000RR competition is built for riders who appreciate speed, precision, and uncompromising performance. It represents the perfect balance between advanced technology and raw riding emotion. This is not just a superbike. This is BMW M performance on two wheels.